밀크. Hello. Hi. Hello. 밀크. 밀크. I see someone doing very naughty thing. Who's doing naughty thing? こら! 何してるの? こら! I got you! What did you do? Are you pretend you're hiding? Tima! You're too small, you cannot even hide. Tima! Hi! Let's go outside. Come here. Hi, Busy. Come here. Hi, let's go outside. Guys! Let's go outside. Guys! Let's go outside. Stop ignoring me. Just let's go outside. Hello? Busy? Hi. Hi, GB. Hi, GB. Hi, Mama. Hi, GB. Ah, no fight, please. GB, are you pregnant? GB, are you pregnant? Can I touch your belly? Guys, I think she's pregnant. Ah, no fight, please. GB, are you pregnant? Your tummy's quite big. Hi, Nero. Mirku. 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 Hi, Nero. Ushi. Yoisho. Yoisho. I think I can introduce some cats around me. So, this one is Cappuccino. This one is Cocoa. This one is Tora. This one is Arba. And this is Ushi. This is Milk. This is the little one is Nero. Cappuccino. And who is around me? Hi, Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Hi. And this is Chibi. Hi, Ayaka. Who else around? Miku. Hi, Cappuccino. You're so beautiful. Cappuccino. Cappuccino, do you want to say hi? You want to say hi to everyone, Chibi? No, Chibi. Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Ayaka. Why don't you come outside? Ayaka. She doesn't want to come outside. Huh? I see someone inside. Who is inside the house? Georgie. I see you, Georgie. Georgie. Naughty boy. Georgie, come outside. You're supposed not to stay inside. Cappuccino too. Hi. Lemma. Hi, Mirko. Oh. Hi, Mirko. You're a very sweet boy. Mirko. Hi. Such a sweet moment.